provide updates throughout the day here at Sports Center. Paisley Parker
Well, I love her, but I love to fish. I spend all day out on this lake, and hell is all I catch. But today she met me at the door, said I would have to choose. And if I hit that fishing hole today, she'd be packing all her things, and she'd
I'm not getting into your truck.
be gone by noon. Well, I'm gonna miss her when I get home.
See, if Pewaukee had a launch like this, I'd pay $8 all day long.
Now I'm on this lake shore, and I'm sitting in the sun, I'm sure.
Gotta love it. Are you ready?
Yep.
Yeah, you can.
I ain't rich, but I damn sure wanna be. Working like a dog all day ain't working for me. I wish I had a rich uncle that'd kick the bucket and I was sitting on a pile like Warren Buffett. I know everybody says money can't buy happiness, but it can buy me a boat. It can buy me a truck to pull it. It can buy me a Yeti 110 ice down with some silver bullets. Yeah, and I know what they say, money can't buy it.
Raise your fist.